The rock drill, developed to be attached to an excavator, offers top-notch efficiency. It can be connected to any excavator and is equipped with an auto rod changer, a dust collector, and an air compressor for fast and efficient drilling. It is capable of drilling up to 90 degrees upward, vertically to 9.1 meters from the center, and horizontally to a depth of 12.1 meters. It also provides a 10 to 15 degrees sideways tilt function. Feel Engineering's concrete drills maximize operational efficiency by providing various functions. Furthermore, they are equipped with a powerful drifter with 20 kilowatts of performance to deliver fast drilling speeds. The sliding dust hood secures the operator's line of sight and helps to place the drilling rod accurately on the surface. The pre-cleaner removes big rocks to expand the filter span and increase dust collection performance. The wireless controller with a 50-meter range secures a wide range of vision, convenience, and safety for the operator. It can easily be attached and used by just connecting two hydraulic lines. Feel Engineering fine breakers and rock drills, which were created through endless technological innovations, have earned the recognition of customers and the market. Feel Engineering will become a global leader of the construction machinery industry.